Hi everyone, and welcome to Week 8. This is Ronnie from EDU 1002, Understanding Language and Literacy, talking about our activities for this week. First, as you can see, we have 3 group collaborates. On Monday, we have Sue, Carrie, and Allison. On Tuesday, we have Jacinta, Jess, and Lynn. And on Thursday, Jody, Charlie, and Sarah. Each of the collaborates will be offering the same information. So please, if you're interested in attending all, any, or looking at a recording of them, you're welcome to do so. But they will be telling us all the same information in each of the sessions. The teamwork for Assessment 2 is an important part of your second assessment. Please note that we've set up some student collaborates for you. In addition, you can also use Skype or IM or Facebook or any other means to communicate. But of the 5 criteria, do remember that 4 of these are based on the group. So the goal is to work together to create a unified presentation, showcasing your assessment of the individual student needs in each of the scenarios and your choice of strategies for addressing the learning needs of this child and connection to curriculum models. Remember that your team's presentation is going to help us see how the group understands children in different scenarios and how you can help each of them develop their language and literacy skills. Assessment 2, some quick reminders. There are 2 parts to the task, a group presentation and an individual video. The group presentation can be a PowerPoint or a Prezi or other. The notes need to be included to show your discussions, and your references and in-text citations are needed. Your tutor, a service offered to you, can help you with organizing these notes and checking your reference formatting. Remember that your video is really more of a role play. You're standing up and showing us how you would communicate this. So you're going to show us or explain to us by use of your communication skills, your understanding of the situation, your observations, your assessment of the learning needs of the child, and most importantly, your strategies for helping this child, and these connections to curriculum models. The most important thing you need to remember is that your communication skills are being assessed, not your technology skills or your video editing skills. So can you communicate your ideas to an audience? Can you vary your voice? Can you make eye contact and use oral presentation skills? I know you can. You might want to have a friend video you, or you can use your own webcam or other technology, but think of the best way to show your communication skills to us. Week 8, we also have a reading activity in which you're asked to compare the strengths and weaknesses of 3 approaches to education: Montessori, Waldorf, and Reggio Emilia. Maria Montessori had a very strong belief in the sensory experiences for children, but you might want to do some additional research to learn more. Rudolf Steiner created the Waldorf School, and he stresses the connection of body and soul and spirit, an interesting approach to education. Loris Melanguzzi was the founder of the Reggio Emilia approach, and he advocates an equal right for the child in learning and teaching as democratic. So, I hope you have a great week. Attend a view or a recording of a collaborate. Work with your teams well. Post your questions on the discussion board, and do stay in touch.